This is Lance at the MY4SONS warehouse. In this video, we want to discuss how to solve the problem of a tank imploding or collapsing. In case you have a tank that's changing shape, moving inwards, we call it imploding. The solution is very easy. It means the vent is not working correctly. It's sealing the entire tank as the fluid level drops. We're going to show you how that works. We've sealed the lid, got a good seal, and we're going to pump the water level down until the shape of the tank starts to change inward. Okay, the reason this imploded is we taped off the vent holes. So just by taking that tape off, that prevents the implosion from occurring. Now, in old style lids and with rubber diaphragms that were thicker, you'd still get implosions occurring because the rubber isn't flexing away, allowing the vacuum to come in. So the solution is, usually we try to keep the lid prices down, replace the lid, and these come with these 1 millimeter thick vents, or we can ship you a free thin-walled vent that will work just fine with your old style lid.